Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Welcome to 10th class. You don't feel that you are just 9th class completed. You already entered into 10th class. Now today I am going to briefly explain about 10th class syllabus, that is physical science. But in physical science there are totally 12 chapters, 6 chapters from chemistry and 6 chapters from physics. Now briefly I will explain about chemistry chapters. See, in chemistry there are 6 chapters. The chapter number 1, acid, bases and salts. Here in this chapter we are going to discuss what are acids, bases and salts, their basic properties and their basic chemical reactions and all. The same chapter you are going to study in intermediate first year also under the name chemical equilibrium. So this chapter is important both for your 10th class as well as the next year intermediate also. Next, second chapter, atomic structure. The atomic structure, actually you have studied briefly about some of the atomic properties, structure of atoms, what are the fundamental particles, subatomic particles and all in 9th class. Do you remember in 9th class you have gone through 2 chapters, what is inside atom, atoms and molecules. So those 2 chapters gives the basics of atom and what is atom and the structure of atoms and all. So here atomic structure we are going to discuss a few more topics like Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's atomic model, quantum numbers, electronic configurations and all. So this chapter is very important in 10th class. Same chapter again you are going to study in intermediate first year also, but there you are going to learn few more additional topics little in depth. So this chapter is very important both for 10th class, intermediate and future coming competitive exams like NEET, IIT, JEE and all. Next, the second chapter, periodic classification. In periodic classification we are going to discuss about what are the elements and how many elements are there, how they are classified, different periodic laws and periodic properties. This chapter also very important. Next, the fourth chapter, chemical bonding. This chemical bonding we are going to discuss why atoms participate in chemical reactions, what are the different types of bonds are formed, their names and their properties and all we will discuss in this chapter, chemical bonding. Actually these 3 chapters, atomic structure, periodic classification and chemical bonding, you are going to study in intermediate also. These are the first 3 chapters of intermediate chemistry. Next, 5th chapter, metallurgy. This metallurgy we are going to discuss what is the basic difference between minerals and ores, what are the different types of minerals, oxide ores, chloride ores, sulfate ores, okay, carbonate ores and all. Next, what are the different steps in the extraction of metal from the respective ore and all. This chapter again you are going to study in intermediate second year under the name of metallurgy or principles of isolation of metals. Next, last one is organic chemistry. The organic chemistry is also called chemistry of carbon compounds. It's a very important branch of chemistry, organic chemistry. Actually, chemistry there are 3 major branches. They are organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry. These 3 are very important branches. Among these 3, the very big branch is organic chemistry. So the most fundamentals and basics of organic chemistry you are going to study in 10th class, and the similar basics you are going to learn in intermediate first year, as well as in second year also you are going to learn few chapters of organic chemistry. So it's actually organic chemistry is a very easy in comparison with other branches of chemistry. Students feel difficult because they are lacking of basics. Okay, thank you. These are briefly about the 6 chapters.